To all, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. Here we are discussing second chapter numbers and sequences, and problem we have solved exercise 2.8. First 7 problems we have completed. I hope you all understood. So we have completed. Okay. So now we are going to see question number 8. The question is Kumar, a person. He writes a letter to 4 of his friends. Okay, and then he asked them to write 4 of his each friends. Okay, so for example, a person Kumar, he writes a letter to his friends. How many friends? 4 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he asked them to write to his friends. 4 friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The first friend, he sent the letter to 4 person, and the second friend, he sent the letter to 4 persons. Like the third friend, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the fourth friend, he sent the letter to 4. Okay, so it is going on. The next term, this person sent a letter to 4 of his friends, and this person sent a letter to 4 of his friends, and so on. So if he sends 4 means 4, here the person sent to 4 persons. So 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, and so on. So 12 16. So if you take the terms means you will get 64. In this term, first 4 letters. Then second they send to 16%, and the next one 64%. Okay, look here, 4, 8, 12, 16. So this 16 and this 16, this 16, this 16. So total number of 16 is equal to 4. So 4 into 16 equal to 64. And then if it is repeating, so what do we get? Okay, so next one should be 64 into 4. Okay, the question is, they asked to find the 8th set. 8th set, it means Tn. Okay, and how many letters they made? How many letters they made? It means we are going to find the sum of the letters. Sum of the letters. So first term 4 letters, second term 16 letters, third 64, and so on. So 8 terms. 8 terms. Okay. So you can understand here their common ratios are same. Common ratio, how to find? 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 64 divided by 16 is equal to 4. So if common ratios are same, we can say that is a geometric progression. So A is equal to 4 and the common ratio R is equal to 4. I hope you all understand this. But they are asking to find the sum to 8 terms of the sequence. Okay. So how can we rewrite the sequence? The sequence can be rewritten as in the form of series, geometric series. To 8 terms. Okay, so A is equal to 4, R is equal to 4, and N is equal to 8. Okay, so R is equal to 4. You know that R which is greater than 1. So you can take this formula, Sn is equal to A of R power N minus 1 divided by R minus 1. When we take this formula, if R value which is greater than 1 means we can take this formula. So yes, 8 because N is equal to 8, and A value you know that A is equal to 4 into R is also 4. 4 power 8 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. So 4 into 4 power 8. What is the answer? You know that 4 cube into 4 cube into 4 square. This 4 power 8 can be rewritten as in the form of 4 cube into 4 cube into 4 square. You know that 4 cube value, that is 64. So 64 into 64 into 4 square is equal to 16. So first I multiply this one. 4 into 4 16, remaining 1 4 6 are 24, 25. Next is 6 into 4, 24, remaining 2. 6 6 are 36, 38. So 6 9 0 1. So 4096. And then multiplied by 16. So 6 into 6 36, remaining 3. 6 into 9 54. 54 plus 3 57. Here 0 means 5. 6 into 4 24. Then multiplied by 1. 6 9 0 4. 6 13 remaining 1. 6 5 remaining 1 5 6. So what do we get? 4 into 655 36 minus 1 divided by 3. So 4 into, if you subtract 1 from this, you will get 65535 divided by 3. It will be divisible by 3 table. Okay. So how many times? 2 times. 6 here 1 time. Remaining 2 will be there. So 25 means 8 times 24. Remaining 1 13. So 4 times 12. Remaining 1 5 times. So 2 1 8 4 5 into 4. Okay. The product is equal to 5 4s are 20. Remaining 2. 4 4s are 16. 18. 16 plus 2 18. Remaining 1 4 8s are 32. 33, remaining 3, 4 1s are 4, 7, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So yes, 8. Sum to 8 terms of this sequence is equal to 87380. Okay. The question is, they asked to find the cost of mailed. It means total number of mailed letters is equal to 87380. So cost of mailing one letter is rupees 2. So cost of mailed of 87380 letters is equal to multiplied by 2. So cost of mailing 87380 is equal to 87380 into 2. If you multiply by 2, 0, 2 into 8, 16, remaining 1, 2 into 3, 6, 7, 2 into 7, 14, remaining 1, 2 into 8 is 16, 17. So total cost of mailing of 87,380 letter is equal to 1,74,760. I hope you all understand this. Once again I repeat. Kumar, a person, he write a letter to 4 of his friends. He asked them to write their 4 friends. Okay. So if it will be repeating, so we'll get a sequence 4, 16, 64 to and so on. Okay. So number of terms is equal to 8. They asked to find a total number of letters up to 8 terms. So we find the S8 that is equal to this one. After finding that, multiplied by 2, because cost of mailing one letter is equal to rupees 2. So cost of mailing this much letter is equal to multiplied by 2. So if you multiply by 2, you can get this answer 1,74,760. This is a required answer. The question is, find the rational form of the number 0.123. Okay. You know that rational form, it means it is in the form of P by Q, where Q which is not equal to 0. Okay. So this one is given in decimal form, as well as this 1, 2, 3. These 3 digits will be repeating. Okay. Will be repeating, so that we draw this bar. Okay. So this 1, 2, 3, 3 digits will be repeating again and again. Okay. So the expansion of this number is equal to 0.123, 123, 123 and so on. First you understand this concept. Okay. This problem already you have done in 8th standard. Okay. So actually if number of digits, first we count the number of digits, repeating digits, 3 digits are repeating. So that we multiply the term by 1000. First multiply the term by 1000. Okay. If only one digit repeating means multiplied by 10, 2 means 100. This is the general method. Okay. So first I am going to take this number as x. Okay. Let the number be x 0.123, 123, 123 and so on. This is a given number. Okay. I told you clearly how many digits are repeating here? 3 digits. So that I am going to multiply it by 1000. So both sides multiplied by 1000. So this x will be 1000x. And here multiplied by 1000 means these 3 places came here. After that it will be repeating again and again. Okay. Take this as 1, this one as 2. So I am going to divide or subtract 1 from 2. Subtract 1 from 2. So what do we get? 1000 x is equal to 123.123, 123, 123 and so on. And this x will be written here. That is equal to 0.123, 123, 123, so on. If you subtract, this means 1000x minus x is equal to 999x, which is equal to, they will be cancelled. Okay, and 123 minus 0 is equal to 123. So x is equal to 123 divided by 999. It will be cancelled by 3 table. So how many times? 4 3s are 12. Here 1 3s are 3. Here 3 3. So 41 by 333. This is the rational form of this number 0.1231. Okay. I hope you all understand this. Hereafter we cannot simplify this. This is the simplest form. So x is equal to 41 by 333. Question number 10, exercise number 2.8. Okay. The question is Sn. Sum of n terms of this series is equal to x plus y is the first term and this is second term, third term and so on. Prove that x minus y into Sn. X minus y into Sn is equal to x square of x power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus y square of y power n minus 1 divided by y minus 1. We are going to prove this result. Listen carefully. Here the left hand side x minus y into Sn, but we do not have x and y in left hand side. So that better be multiplied by x and y. Okay, if you do any operation, we must do on both sides. You know that. So if you multiply by x, this series left hand side as well as right hand side, and the next we multiply by y. After that we can subtract the second one from first one, we can get the result. Okay, so first I am going to multiply by x. So if I multiply by x means it will be x into Sn, x into Sn. So each terms will be multiplied by x, you know that. So x into x plus y plus x into x square plus xy plus y square plus x into x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube and so on to n terms. Okay, so I am going to multiply by x. What do we get? X into x, x square, x into y, xy. Similarly, this will be written as x into x square. So what do we get? X cube plus x square y plus xy square. So this x into x cube, what do we get? X power 4 plus x cube y plus x square y square plus xy cube. Sorry, x into y cube xy cube to n terms. Okay, so what we did here, we multiplied x on both sides. Now you can take this as equation number 1. Similarly, multiplied by y on both sides. So what do we get? Y of Sn. Y of Sn. So y into x plus y plus y into x square plus xy plus y square plus y into x square plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. 2n terms. Okay. Next I am going to multiply it by y. Y into x, xy, then y into y, y square, plus y into x square, y x square, y into xy, xy square, y square into y, y cube, plus y into x square, y x square, this one x square into y square, plus x y cube, plus y power 4, and so on to n terms. This is equation number 2. Okay, listen carefully. This is first one, this is second one. See, we want to get the x minus y into Sn. So the second one should be subtracted from this one, first one. Okay, so you can get this result x minus y into Sn. Okay, so if you subtract this one from this one means what do we get? So the sign will be changed. When you subtract this one means the plus signs will be changed into minus sign. So what do we get? The plus xy, this minus xy plus xy will be cancelled. Similarly, and this y x square, this x square y will be cancelled, and xy square and this xy square cancelled, and x square x square y square and this x square y square will be cancelled, and this xy cube will be cancelled. So finally what do we get? This x square minus y square and x cube minus y cube, x power 4 minus y power 4. See, after subtracting equation 2 from 1, the remaining x square minus y square plus x cube minus y cube plus x power 4 minus y power 4. These terms only we will get. Left hand side, what do we get? X of Sn minus y of Sn. Sn is as the common factor. If you take that out, we will get x minus y into Sn. So as I told you clearly, left hand side we have x Sn minus y Sn. Right hand side, the first series have x square plus x cube plus x power 4 and so on to n terms, minus the second one y square plus y cube plus y power 4 and so on to n terms. Okay, so the first one is the geometric progression, second one is also geometric progression. You can take the formula Sn equal to a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, where a is equal to x square, r is equal to x. In this case, a is equal to y square and r is equal to y. So we just replace them here. And here Sn is the common factor. If you take that out, what do we get? Sn of x minus y is equal to, instead of the first geometric series, I am going to replace this formula a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, where a is equal to x square into, so Sn of x minus y equal to, instead of this series a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, where a is equal to x square, r is equal to x, so x power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1, minus this minus. Here the second geometric series, a is equal to y square into r is equal to y. So r power n means y power n minus 1 divided by y minus 1. So hence we prove the result. Then what we did here, first we multiplied by x and multiplied by y on both sides. After finding the result, we subtract the equation 2 from 1, we get this, and after we know that, we came to know this is the geometric series. So you can take the formula Sn equal to a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. If you replace them, you can get the result. Hence it is proved. I hope you all understood today's problems. Today we have completed 3 sums. Question numbers 8, 9 and 10. Okay. In next video we will see progress check and thinking corner problems. Thank you.